Okay, first of all, I've got this set up on an iPad using the front-facing camera on top of my car. I'm near where I keep my RV. So I wanted to do something out here to show how it works around bushes or trees. And I just happened to be on the property out here, and there's been a firmware update. So I want to do the entire experience, so hopefully you can see it. And I just need to see where I need to stand. I want to first open it up. I turn it on. It's running. I haven't launched the app on the phone, so I'm going to go out here and you're going to watch the entire experience of what I do. So you won't be able to hear me, but hopefully you'll be able to at least comprehend or understand. You can see the camera moving, keeping somewhat stable once it locks in. So I am changing my Wi-Fi to connect to it, and now I see it. Now I'm launching the app. And now it says, it sees it, and it says, just show you, it says let's go. So now I'm going to launch it. It immediately comes to the splash screen here, and I can say follow me or manual. Everyone's more concerned about the follow me, so I'm going to do, it's omni follow, so I'm going to click that, and now that you can see the camera, and I can move the camera here on this side up, and it will direct the camera up only, so the camera's independent of it. Now I'm going to launch it. Here's launch, and it now wants to confirm takeoff. Confirm takeoff. It's launching. So now I'm getting ready to select me as I see myself, and I touch the me, and it says start. Counting 2, 3, 1. It's got a check mark. You can see it behind the tree. It hasn't figured out how to come around it. I'm coming back into view. It still hasn't seen me. I can see myself, but it hasn't seen me. So we're now back in manual mode. You can see it hovering there. And we're sort of in manual mode now. So I can lower it down. I can bring it forward. I'm going to rotate it around. And now it's going to pull it forward. Will it void obstacles? So I'm going to move it toward the tree. I'm going to rotate it so it faces the tree. And now I'm going to bring it forward and see what happens. The top thing rotates around, and now so you can see it stops at the tree. It won't go past into it. So it's getting there. It's just not as good as, you know, what their video initially said. And see, it stopped. And it won't go past it. So I've got to now move it out of the way, which I can slide it to the left. And you see the top thing maybe rotating, and it's not wanting to move either way. So I'll post the video also of this, maybe picture in picture. I have some software that I can do that. Just recently got it. So it sees the tree above. If I lower it now, will it come all the way over? You can see the thing rotating on top. And see, it sees an obstacle above it. Yeah, it looks like it would have ran into that tree above. It saw me and wouldn't get any closer. So I'm going to click return home and let's see what happens. The return home was working quite well. So it's rotating around and it's trying to go up, but it can't go up. So I don't want it. I'm going to stop it. And I'm telling it to land. Land now. So still not quite there. At least not as they're advertised it on the Kickstarter. Am I pleased? Yes. I like the compactness of this. I like being able to the sensor close. I like the ability to close this up tightly, pack it away. It makes it very convenient. The Omni Follow is not all that great. It is what it is. I mean, for the price, for the compactness, I'm pleased with what I got.